Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Screamin' Pirate EDC. Today we have a very, very special unboxing for me. This is something I've been hunting for 2 years, and I can't believe I got one. I haven't even touched it, and I'm still in awe and shock. But let's start with consistency so we can kind of get some level-headedness before I go all sighing and gasping about this, guys. Once again, love the mug. Krampus mug. Death Wish coffee. Super cool. Hank is going to be the Renegade EDC Brian Brown Jaeger Hank. Of course, we got the Jaeger Olight i5T that has been patinaed by 865 Knives. Awesome stuff. Pop-ups for all of this. We need to get into this unboxing. So, tuck that away. Put this over here for you guys. Drop him there. So, we have a box. Very important box. Nope, we got more tape, because I would hope so. I don't care if I rip this box, because what's inside it is more important. Oh man, that's a lot of swag, guys. That's a lot of swag. So I hope you recognize this, because you should also recognize this. Guys, there was a lotto recently at Holt Blade Works. And I happened to get one of the ones that wasn't part of the lotto, but went up on the website. Don't ask me how it happened, but it did. And guys, it's here. I'm freaking out. I'm letting you know that I'm freaking out. I held a prototype of this knife at Blade 2019. Did I think I would ever own one? No. Are they impossible to get? Yes. Oh man, guys, this bubble wrap is really shrunk wrap around here. Let me see if I can get into him. Ooh-wee. He does not want to come out. Not that I'm mad about it. Oh man, guys, they really got him shrunk wrapped up in there. Well, guys, before we get that out, let's see here. Don't have anything in there, nothing else. We have a Holt Haptic. It's beautiful. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's give it a flip. I don't know how I feel about that noise. It's interesting. Oh. One more time for the ladies. Guys, I'm sorry to fidget on a video for you guys, but oh damn. Oh damn. The only action I have ever felt like that, ever, was probably on, I'm going to say, one of the nicest Ariuses I've ever picked up that was like a prototype. The Shiro's close, I don't know that it's better. Those ergonomics are stellar. Wow. Woo! Woo! All right, so we have another warning here. Let's just give you some size. They don't even exist in the same price bracket. I'm aware. Because I got this on their site, I'll go ahead and let you guys know. I picked this one up for, I believe it was right around $870, I believe. I'll have a pop-up for the exact price for you guys. I was just excited to get one. Couldn't believe I did. The blue is really pretty, really pretty. This machine work reminds me of brown knives, my Cortex, guys, if you haven't seen it. Beautiful knife I got at Blade Show. Reminds me a lot of it. It's similar price bracket. Price bracket, I can talk. I'm in awe. Okay, guys, I'm a little bit in shock. I'm sorry. Very similar here, but God, guys. You want to know what knife art looks like? If you haven't watched my Brian Brown custom, yeah, same feeling, guys. Same what the hell. I want to see if you have that same suction. Not as much. You don't get that because it's a liner, not a frame. Man, guys, the chamfering on this is nutty. Woo! I'm having a hard time giving you descriptions. I don't really know what to tell you. Very sharp, but like all of this. Chamfered, chamfered, chamfered. That's chamfered. That's chamfered. Look at the milling on the clip. Look at this. What the? Yeah, guys, this is Shiro and Brown knives level and in the same price bracket, but this is just a different knife. Its action is so different, and yet it feels like it belongs in that price bracket. I know that doesn't help you guys at all. It's gorgeous. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, I guess look forward to more of this. Maybe a lot more of this. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing, even though it was me gushing for 7 minutes. Stickers are available. Comments, like, subscribe. I'm going to go fondle this knife for a while now, guys.